Hey there, Bob Deeks with RDC Fine Homes. I am down here at a new project for us in West Vancouver. Initially we were doing some cosmetic upgrades, new flooring, putting in some new finishes in the bathrooms, and as we peeled up the carpet, we discovered a little bit of moisture. So let's have a look and see what we found. So we're looking at the exterior wall in behind where we found a little bit of damp underneath the carpet, and you can see some extensive rot, mold as a consequence of some significant water ingress. That gray pipe you're looking at, that is an internal roof drain. There's actually 3 of them that you can see from 3 different roof elevations. Strongly suspect that the seal between the roof drains and the roof membrane has failed, and this is where the water's coming from. We also actually have an exterior shower. You can see that at some point that froze. They replaced the pipe and heat traced it. So there's a number of problems in this localized area. What's also super interesting is if you can see in there, in this junction box, I don't know if you can see in the video clearly, but that's been arcing consistently. All the black and melted gray plastic there. It's probably a good thing this was so wet, because had it not been so wet, that could easily have caused a fire in behind the wall there and burned the house down. So a number of different problems. We'll get on trying to troubleshoot this. We're going to have a look at the other roof drains and do some moisture testing to make sure that the other internal drains aren't leaking. Just when you're doing internal roof drains, you've got to make sure that the connection where the flange on the roof to your roof membrane is done is 100% watertight. Look at it and inspect it on a yearly basis, because when it starts to leak, this can get very, very expensive.